What if unity held the potential to change the world? What if collaboration could create an unbreakable force? Imagine for a moment a single stick. Alone, it is fragile, easily snapped and broken. But gather a bundle of those sticks together, intertwining them, and they become unbreakable. This is the sheer power of unity, a power that can change the world. In the realm of non-governmental organizations, this power is not just a potential but a necessity. Each NGO, like that single stick, brings unique skills, insights, and capabilities to the table. Alone, they can do good, but together their collective power can do great things. Collaboration among NGOs can create a symphony of change, a chorus of voices advocating for the betterment of our world. Through unity, they can strengthen the humanitarian development nexus, promote partnerships, and respect national ownership of development objectives. Just as a bundle of sticks is unbreakable, NGOs, when united, can become an unstoppable force. Now, imagine a world where NGOs come together, each contributing their unique skills and resources. Picture a group of NGOs like individual sticks, each possessing unique strengths but also vulnerabilities. One NGO might excel in promoting gender equality, another in advocating for human rights, while a third might possess expertise in policy dialogue. On their own, these NGOs are like single sticks, capable but fragile, susceptible to breaking under pressure. But what happens when they join forces, when they bundle their sticks together? The answer is synergy. By pooling their unique skills and resources, these NGOs are able to create a collective impact far greater than the sum of their parts. They become a force to be reckoned with, a bundle of sticks that's unbreakable. Through collaborative efforts, they optimize cost-effectiveness, minimizing transaction costs. They foster transparency and accountability, enhancing trust among stakeholders. They promote national ownership of development objectives, ensuring that the initiatives they support are rooted in the needs and aspirations of the communities they serve. The story of collaboration is a story of strength, resilience, and impact. It's about working together to tackle the world's most pressing challenges, from poverty and inequality to climate change and conflict. The result? A project that is more robust, impactful, and sustainable than any single NGO could have achieved on its own. So, what is the lesson we take away from this story of collaboration? It's simple. Unity and collaboration among NGOs is not just beneficial, it's essential. With it, we can amplify our strengths, uphold effectiveness, transparency, and accountability, and respect the national ownership of development objectives. It's like the unbreakable bundle of sticks. Alone, we may falter, but together, we are unstoppable. Together, NGOs can build a more resilient, equitable, and sustainable world. Indeed, unity is not just a principle, it is a powerful tool for change.